QS stock is once again a major focus across retail trading communities following the inauguration of its Eagle Line pilot production facility, a milestone that underscores the company's shift from pure R&D toward scalable solid-state battery manufacturing. Many investors see this development as one of the clearest signals that the company is laying the groundwork for eventual commercialization. The Eagle line is designed to validate manufacturing processes at higher throughput, helping bridge the gap between laboratory scale success and real world production. For Bulls, this represents a critical inflection point, proof that the company is not only advancing its battery chemistry but also building the industrial backbone needed to supply automakers at scale. So the stock is up 8.62%. This is Monday, the 9th of February 2026. Quite a high beta stock as well. 2.47 is its beta is 2.47, so it amplifies the broader market by 2.4 times, 2.47 times in either direction. So if the broader market is down 3%, there's a chance that it will be down roughly up to 7% or thereabout. So on the line, the stock has been since Friday, or rather from Friday, and including today, the stock has been showing a decent amount of strength within a longer term bullish trend. The bullish trend is underscored by its 200-day moving average, which, as you can see, is sloping bullishly upwards. Okay. The extrapolation of its 3-day moving average is saying that the strength it's built up on Friday, the 6th, will remain in place up till the 10th. So all in all, it's just saying that it will be consolidating up till the 24th or 25th of February. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. After that, it's saying that a decline might happen. So between now and then, it's expected to trade within the space here. The 40-day moving average is equally may continue to decline to prevent any expansion beyond it. Projections are currently saying 8.79, 7.72, 7.05. They're all downward projections. Okay, let's see what we have on its market grid. Market grid was it gives us okay. So the stock is now way outside of that market grid. So for that, we probably have to look at the 4-hour chart. Let's have a look. Yeah, you can see the strength I'm talking about here. It's a lot more amplified here on the 4-hour chart. So here it's equally outside of its grid, and it's so saying that it may consolidate up till the close of today's trading session. Then after that, we're looking at the prospects of a decline, and then so it's all pretty much the same thing. There's a correlation. There's an alignment here with there's an alignment in its extrapolations. So it's saying that consolidation is what we should expect. Okay, let's see what we have in its for 1-hour chart. It might give us this sort of where it lies on its market grid. Let's see. Okay, so the market grid gives us a range of possible prices. It adjusts every hour, every period at the end of every period. So the period will be if it's on a daily chart, it will be at the end of every day. It will adjust. So in the case of this 1-hour chart, it will adjust every 1 hour. Every 1 hour, it will adjust. If you're looking at a 5-minute chart, it will adjust every 5 minutes. So here, this is the prevailing grid. So this the range is between 10.1 and 8.32. It is currently at 9.26, 9.26. So it's in between the resistance and the supports with an upward trajectory. So 9.42 is something that can happen. It printed an intraday high of 10, but it's not recently. 10.42, not recently, but still relevant. Okay, so the extrapolation is saying that higher prices may remain in place up till tomorrow the 10th. Okay, I think that's pretty much in alignment with what we have seen on the daily chart and indeed on the 4-hour chart. Well, the daily chart, yes. So yes, let's see now. Does it have any? What are the resistances saying? I don't think it doesn't look like it has a lot of resistance ahead. Doesn't really look like it does. Let's see. Doesn't look like it has any resistance ahead. Yeah, there are values here. Can tell you there 9.42 is a resistance. Okay, we could also 9.5 as well. 9.5. Yeah, 9.5 and 9.4. That will be here in between. Let's just say these are all resistances, But it's just that you want to see if we saw another norm, another price that is, let's say 9.41, 9.4, 9.43, 9.49, then it reinforces that particular, it reinforces the case that there is a strong resistance around that tiny range, But here we just have 9.4, 9.5. We could still say this is between 9.4 to 9.5 is just 8 cents. Yeah, we could say that's a resistance, relative to maybe 9.65 or yeah. So well, the stock was trending at some point. Going back to its 4 hour chart, let's see. It was trending at some point. We can try and have a look and see what the price pressure momentum is going to tell us. Price pressure momentum tells us how much the moving averages are appreciating. So this is the 10 period. This tells us that the 10 period moving average on this 4 hour chart is gaining $8.74 every 4 hours. Every 4 hours. Yeah, before I can see the stock has been it was severely bearish before. Was it? Let's see. Yeah, it was bearish before. It was severely bearish before. It's now reversing all of that now. Yeah, before it was losing you can see $4.4 every 4 hours. Now it's now gaining 8.74. But the derivatives are still negative. They're still negative for some reason. They're still negative. I mean, after all this while, you would expect that they would have gone positive, but unfortunately they are not. So selling pressure is still very much in effect. Yeah, selling pressure is still very much in effect, and the pace of the selling is has remained yeah, remained steady. It has remained steady. Yeah. So in the midst of all of this, people are still selling. They're not very much confident. I mean, we want to see this. We want. I mean, look at this. This is 8.74. We want to see at least something a lot more, a lot less than what we're looking at here. So it's a bit dicey on this on the stock. So, but in any case, positions opened 40 hours ago are currently in profits. Yeah, we could also try and just quickly see what the yeah, I think possibly the ones opened 84 hours ago as well. That's the price pressure momentum. Yeah, price pressure momentum indicator. That's 21 period moving average, which tells us it's 4 hours ago. So let's see what's indicating, what it is indicating. Let's see. It is also positive and the derivatives negative. Yeah. So selling if the stock is moving up, but the moving averages are moving up, but selling pressure is still very much in effect. Okay, so just see what you make of QS stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.